Dude, he's crushing the magic carpet. But like I said, the goal today is to get him on the actual chairlift. What's up, guys? Last day of the trip, and today we're going snowboarding with this dude. You excited? And today Roman's gonna go on the chairlift. You excited to go on the chairlift? You excited to go on the chairlift? He goes high in the sky.
No, what the airplane sky.
Okay. He thought I said airplane. And yeah, so we're getting ready. And we're gonna go inside and Roman's gonna rip. So it's hard for him to move with all his gear on though, so we're gonna get him dressed inside. So we're gonna kind of like go into the, you'll see. All right, with that, we're back on snow. It was challenging getting him dressed today. But you ready to hit the chairlift, dude? We're gonna hit the chairlift. Let's do this. You wanna do a warm-up run?
I just snowboarding, just grabbing snowboard.
Daddy brought his snowboard this time.
I want to go there.
Yeah, you wanna go on that?
Uh-huh.
Alright, guys, and put you on. There you go, look at you go. Are you going up the carpet? That's my dude.
Whoa.
Whoa. Good job, dude. Okay, so we're gonna take a couple warm-up laps with the little dude, and then we're gonna take him up the higher part. The goal is we gotta get Greg comfortable riding with Roman, so then when we do the bigger section, I'll ride in front of Roman, having him look at me where he needs to be looking, opposed to back up the mountain, and then Jonathan's gonna film it all. So it's gonna be sick. We got a whole crew just to get this dude out here ripping. You guys ready? Was that fun? Let's go to the chairlift now. All right, guys. We're gonna take him up the chairlift. He's ready. Here we go. Whoa!
Nice. Oh, I fall down.
You see them fall down? You see all the snowboarders?
I don't want to fall down.
Yeah, they fall down.
I want me to fall down.
Oh, Roman falls down? Oh. Look at all this. They're doing jumps.
Fall down.
Daddy falls down, yeah. See all the snowboarders hitting jumps?
What do Roman hit jump?
Roman wants to hit a jump?
Uh-huh.
Maybe. We're looking good. Looking good. So last night you can see that they blew some new snow in here, which is really cool. And then they definitely reshaped everything. So it's looking prime, but we're gonna do him on some runs. And dude, maybe do we take him off a box? He said he wants to hit a jump. Do we let Roman hit a box? I guess we'll see how he does on the run. This is the run he's doing right there. But let's be real, guys. Look how cute this little dude. His feet don't even go down the chair. You ready? Is this cool?
Yeah.
Are we high in the sky? This is your first chairlift ever. And how old are you? Say, I'm 2.
I'm 2.
You're 2 years old, rocking a chairlift.
I fall down.
Mm-hmm.
The chair was up there.
We're almost to the top.
Oh, this Yeah.
Here we go. Whoa! You did it, dude! High five! That was awesome! Here comes Greg and Jonathan. There they do it! Whoa!
What'd you do, bud? You went on the chairlift? Here, pound it. Good.
I want down there.
Let's go down the run and do it again.
It was scary.
Does it look scary?
No.
You got it though, you're with your daddy.
Daddy's scary.
Yeah, but not for us. We're not scared.
Daddy is scary. Daddy's scary, Daddy.
Is it scary? No, it's not scary.
Daddy's scary.
We got this. High five.
Daddy's scary.
No, this is what we call fun.
No, it's scary.
Oh, it's scary. You fall down, silly dude. Roman! That's funny.
It's funny.
That's funny.
It's funny.
That's so funny. You fell down. You did it again! Was that fun? That was awesome. Okay, so Roman is not the biggest fan of the first section of the run. He says it's scary. Is it scary? Do you want Daddy to help you? Okay. But you do really good at the bottom, right? So, just so you guys know, he's not the biggest fan. I think we're missing a buckle. Did I forget to buckle something? So Roman's harness thing that we're using, by the way, is incredible and perfect for this type of riding. It puts a chest thing right here, belly one, two leg ones. You attach to the front and the back with the, you want your gloves off? Okay. With the dog leash guy. And there's a handle here and a handle here. So you can pick him up, and it also goes under his butt, which we got to get that tight. And that's how you can get him down the mountain. That thing is linked in the description if you guys want to snag one for your kiddo. You jumping high in the sky? Let's see it, jump. No way, film that real quick. Hi Roman, jump high in the sky. No way, dude, getting some air already. Yeah, you just do it, or side by side, either one. you fall down! Roman fall down! Oh no! So right now, Roman doesn't have much control. The idea is don't let him go too fast to where he loses control. The snowboard still weighs basically his same weight. So if we can get it to where he just has to stand up, it's the best. And then he's just getting comfortable and familiar with chairlift, with steep runs. Like this is literally a perfect place to teach a little dude like this. Dude, Roman's killing it right now. I'm so proud of this little guy. So right now, Roman's favorite part is the chairlift. Guys, I can't tell you how excited I am about this because these are the videos and the moments, and I know it's like not the sickest for you guys, but for me, these are the videos, the photos I'm gonna get that I'm gonna cherish forever. And I always like thought like, yo, when I have kids, like my son will be a sick snowboarder, and I hope he is, but if he doesn't like snowboarding, if he wants to ski, if he wants to just do it one time a year, things like that is fine. That's his decision. Just because you want to ski, well, that's his decision when he's older. Joking, but yeah, it's just one of those things where just because I absolutely love snowboarding and it's my decision, it doesn't mean. Dude, he fell down. Oh no, he fell down. Doesn't mean that Roman has to do it or love it the way I do. And so as long as I can get some moments with him like this. Oh, he fell down too. Oh no, that's funny. Funny, falling is funny. So as long as I can get these moments with him, that's all that I care about. Is this fun?
It's cool.
It's cold? You want to put your gloves back on?
No, it's close to fall down.
You want to do one more?
Yes, it's over the
And then go to the car? Alright, we'll see if this is gonna be chipmunk for Roman. It might be. You tired? Okay. That's the other thing with kids, guys. If they're cold, they're tired, whatever. Like literally, he's not wearing snowboard socks because he didn't want to wear socks. Don't know why socks were the piece of gear we couldn't put on, but we didn't put any socks on. How are your feet? Your feet okay? Alright, and we always ask for a slow while we get off this thing. Alright, here we go. So Roman is over snowboarding, and so Jonathan's gonna carry the board down. I got the little dude, and when we carry him down, I'm not a big fan of this, but when they say they're done, dude, guys, they're done. We just happen to be done on top of the mountain. And Greg's filming, here we go. All right, hold the camera. Whoa, here we go. You're holding it. We're out of here. We did it. Was that fun? What, Daddy going fast? No, we're not gonna go up the chairlift. We go up the chairlift, we got a snowboard.
No, I want the chairlift, please.
Well, I have a feeling leaving today is gonna be a little on the fussy side.
No,
I appreciate it.
I want the chairlift, please.
Not this time. Next time.
No.
Yeah, next time. You can walk in the snow though.
snowboard?
You want to pull your snowboard, Roman? You want to pull Roman's snowboard? Here, let me take your glove off.
You got it?
Okay, you walk your snowboard out of here. Like a real snowboarder. Dude, the dude didn't wear snowboard socks today. It's so crazy. That was our biggest fight, was socks. You want to hold the camera? Roman's vlogging. Here we go. What up, dude?
Snowmore. Daddy, you camera right there.
Okay, put the camera right there.
Daddy,
Whoa, you got crazy hair. Crazy hair.
now it's crazy here. Now you know crazy.
You don't have crazy hair? Oh, does that feel good?
Daddy, put the jacket off, please.
Take your jacket off, and then let's take your shoes off. No socks! You didn't want to wear socks. We had a big little fight about not wearing socks, right? You were very passionate, like pure passion about no wearing socks, right? Even this foot has no socks.
Now you don't know socks. Now you don't sock it.
Oh, there's your socks. You found them. And your shoes. You put all your stuff in that locker.
Daddy, you can wear socks and the clothes.
That was your goggles. We didn't need those.
Daddy,
What is that? Is that to hide your crazy hair? Let's hide your crazy hair. Show me. Put your hat on. There you go. You too, buddy. Yeah, we're out of here. Alright, now we gotta pack up our bags with, before we get out of here. Pro tip of the day, snag a little towel from the hotel room so you can wipe your board off so you're not putting a soaking wet snowboard in the snowboard bag. It's always funny on a trip out how clean your bag is coming here. On the way back, it's just like, throw it all in. It's never the same. Boom. It's that easy, guys. You just snip your fingers and your bag shuts. That was super hard. But we got because we still, my little sister gets married this weekend, so we still got the rest of our clean clothes in here. And we were like, oh, we'll just cram all the dirty clothes into here. Wasn't the best idea, but it's gonna work. So the cool thing about a skateboard bag is Roman's snowboard just goes in the back of this bag. Works sick. So if you guys want any of Roman's snowboard gear, any of my snowboard gear, it's all in the description, guys. And then if I'm rocking it, you guys know it's gonna work. If Roman's rocking it, you know it's definitely gonna work. With all that being said, guys, we gotta mention today's sticker shout out. We got Brian Carbone Ski. We have a skiing version of the Evolution sticker. If you guys want an Evolution sticker, a hat, hoodie, t-shirt, long sleeve, guys, any of it's the warmest merch in the game. It's all linked in the description. And if you do snag any of it, tag me on Instagram and I'll give you guys the gear and sticker shout outs. And make sure you actually follow my Instagram. I post a bunch of behind the scenes stuff, like the travel home. I'm not gonna vlog it, but I am gonna do a little like fun thing on my story where it's like a journey with the, does that make sense? So make sure you follow my Instagram, guys, because it's gonna be really sick, or you're missing out if you're not doing it. And other than that, guys, Roman's pooped from snowboarding, so he's probably gonna sleep on the way to the airport. We gotta fly, and then that's my sister's wedding. So thank you so much, guys, for watching, supporting the dream. Like, share, subscribe if you're new, and as always, guys, thanks for shredding with us today, and as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, I ain't never gonna need nobody.
Say hi, Greg. Hi, Jonathan.
Johnny.